everyone, I'm Miss Emma Walsh. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for joining. And if you've been here for quite a while, thank you very much. I do appreciate it. Now, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on those notifications. A lot of the people that watch my videos are not actually subscribed, so I'd love to see you subscribed. That would be amazing. Today's video, unfortunately, I was really hoping to do my first road trip with the Mini GP3. I was supposed to drive down to Winchester yesterday and then down to Cornwall. You know, Kate, who was on my Ferrari video, and a good friend of mine, she invited me down to Cornwall with her family. So I was going to drive down yesterday and make a whole video with my Mini. However, I got slammed with a horrible migraine yesterday and I was out for the count the whole day. It was pretty awful, debilitating, and face looks like it's all droopy at the moment. That's from the pain that you feel in the side of your head. If anybody on this who's watching this suffers from migraines, let me know down below. Honestly, I don't wish it upon my worst enemy. It's just awful. So I felt really drowsy all day yesterday or last night, and then this morning it's just taken me quite a while to get going. So that was unfortunately cancelled yesterday, the road trip down. However, I still really wanted to go to Cornwall. I need a bit of a small break. Obviously, we've not been able to travel anywhere, and Cornwall is within the UK, so it's safe to travel. I've checked all the COVID safety rules. We're on the same tier. I have my own room, and it's 6 of us, or 5 of us in total, so it's her family and then me, so it's all safe and all good. So I still wanted to go, so I managed to actually find, this is so cheeky, I actually managed to find a flight from Heathrow to Newquay, which is totally cheating, but I just didn't think that I'd be able to get on with a 7.5 hour drive today, especially after having a migraine yesterday. So I have gone and booked a flight down to Newquay. I'm really excited. I really miss living by the sea, coming from Cape Town. Honestly, just being around the sea, having those walks. Cornwall's beautiful, and I think it'd be really good to have that kind of space for 4 days and then come back and kind of crack on. So that is the plan. I booked on BA and I actually managed to find a flight for, I think I ended up paying £40 for a flight. I know it's only an hour, but still I thought that was quite cheap and probably less than petrol. I used some of my Avios points because I thought, when am I ever going to be able to use them? And it ended up costing me about £37. I booked my car into the MBW parking, which are amazing. This is not sponsored, but I do use these guys when I go to the airport, and it's actually quite cheap. I think for 4 nights it was about £50, something like that, which is quite good if you think about it. 4 nights, car's safe, and then when you get back to London, they come and they bring your car. You call them half an hour before, they give you your keys and you're sorted and off you go. So that's all in all, it's cost me about 80 or 90 pounds to go down to Cornwall, which actually isn't too bad because I think the petrol probably would have cost a little bit more in my little mini baby. Even though I'm driving halfway there, that doesn't make any sense. Anyway, the point is I didn't want to drive 7.5 hours and now I'm rambling. So this is today's video. A whole bunch of ramble. No, not really. Today's video, I'm just going to vlog today, and mainly actually I wanted to ask you guys a few questions. I need your advice. I feel like I want to film some more content for YouTube. I am trying to keep to my, well, I have actually kept to my videos every Sunday so far, and I want to try add a little bit more in. It's difficult at the moment for me to film in terms of content. It was Speed Week this week at Goodwood Festival to Speed. I was invited by Rolls-Royce and by Goodwood itself, but it's just a lot of people. I'm seeing my sister and the kids, so I didn't want to risk being in a large crowd. Also, again, a 4-hour drive all the way down there. It wasn't 100% that there was a lot of content you could film because it was quite restricted. So I am having to pick and choose the events that I go to, so it is making it quite difficult to film. So I thought that I'd like to start doing like little series, so I can add to these series as and when and make them like a playlist. Like I've got the cars, so I do like the travel with the cars, and then the you know, the reviews of the cars, the new cars. So kind of keep them in playlists of new videos. And I wanted to add more of like travel or fitness and vlogging like this. I'm just not 100% sure what, because obviously everybody's interested in different stuff, and I know the majority of you are here because of the cars. Hopefully you're here for me too, but I know a lot of the audience are male and you like cars, and so I wanted to know if I started doing other videos. I know my views will probably drop, but it might bring in a new audience, or it might you might enjoy it as well. So down in the comments below, write 1 or 2 kind of titles or topics, or whatever you want to call them, that I could use as a playlist or a series theme that then I can just add to. Like if you wanted to see a workout, then I would just do a workout one week and add it to that kind of series. Does that make sense? I am rambling a bit. I know what I'm talking about. So write down in the comment below what you would like to see. Maybe you just want to see what my day is like in general. Maybe you want to look at the wing of my car for 10 minutes. Maybe you just want to have a chat. Maybe you want a Q&A. I can do a Q&A series. I really do enjoy those as well. So yeah, let me know down below. I am going to do some of the road trip content today anyway. My car was going to be driving all the way down. I've actually done quite a lot of miles in it, as I mentioned last time, and I'm going to take it into Mini next week. I'm going to get the antenna changed, so I'm going to get that short antenna, and also they're going to put some kind of thing on the outside and the inside. Don't quite know the details just yet, and just check everything's fine. I've done over 2,000 miles on this car already, and I feel like I haven't really gone anywhere. I think it's just because I live so far away that every time I want to do something, it's like a 300-mile round trip. So I have left this car in the garage for the last week, and excited to take it out today. So within that road trip video, I was going to wash the car. I know, right? Myself. Maybe it would help. And I was going to check the oil and also check the windscreen wiper fluid. So just a bit of a small mini MU MOT. A mini MU MOT. I'm just staring out the window because my car's there. I'm like, oh, it looks so pretty. You coming? Come then. Wanna help me wash the car? I said I was doing it by myself. I lied. I hope it doesn't rain. Oh, that was a bit of a letdown. I'm just winging life, basically. Okay. Enjoy this. I'm not going to wash anybody else's car though. Foaming tick. Got some nice hot water. Ooh, it's not quite a bikini car washing weather, is it? Something quite satisfying though about washing your own car. I'm not going to say that this is going to happen all the time, but I kind of get it. And I am also quite grateful and pleased that this is a small car. It's also quite a workout. Wax on. Wax on. I'm going to alternate the arms. That's also quite tiring. Competing, the neighbor competing with car wash. Right, this is the satisfying part. Okay, I'm going to finish rinsing this and then dry it off, and I'll come back to you in a minute. Okay, we're pretty much done. This car looks so much better already. I can't say I'll be doing this on the reg, but it is quite satisfying when it comes out looking so nice. And I have not done this all by myself, by the way. My partner has helped me. I'm such a cheat. However, it does look amazing. And yeah, ready now to check the oil because we're going to leave in about 20 minutes. So jump inside. Okay, so I'm just going to turn the ignition on. And this is all electrical. No more pulling out the oil. So you go into My Mini, vehicle status. And then this tells you all the tires. Tires are fine. Oil, engine oil level okay. So it gives you an option to measure it. Well, the engine switched on. So the engine needs to be switched on. Okay, so we won't check it, but it does say that it's fine. We've got no faults. Everything's okay. Brake fluid, everything's fine. Perfect. So that is good to know. Just before you go on a long road trip, everything does kind of pop up when there's a when and if there's a problem on the dash. So that's all cool. We're just going to check the windscreen wiper fluid. That's my fault. Just gonna pop the hood. Pop. Oh, God. Twice. Okay, this little handle here. I'm just gonna fill it until you missed a bit. Oh, it's quite empty. It has been raining a lot and my car's been pretty dirty. Done. Oh, have I pulled it too much? Knew the mechanic. Perfect. Close that lid. All done. Okay. This is a bit of a slamming job. So I always get... I'm good. Sorted. Alright guys and girls, ladies and gents, that is it for my vlog today and my car washing attempts. I think it looks pretty good. I'm going to hit the road. I'm going to hit the road and head to the airport and I'll check you guys in Cornwall. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment for more future videos to come. See you all very soon. Bye.
Just the other day I saw you looking my way. I start to contemplate moments that went to waste. Why you do that?